Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking your one-sentence message and the audience you serve. This drives every choice. Once clear, pick the format that proves that message best. Tutorials show steps, narratives show change. Make sure to gather a minimal kit now: camera or phone, external mic, and a stable light source. Test a 30-second clip. Why? Because early tests reveal framing, audio levels, and pacing, so you fix issues before full production. You move into production with a beat-based script. Outline beats, visuals, and B-roll instead of reading full dialogue. Once done, block shots in 16:9 and aim for variety, wide, medium, close, and keep individual takes under 20 seconds to maintain energy. Make sure to record 2 clean takes of every major line and capture room tone for smoothing edits later. These habits shave hours in post and keep your pacing tight. They also protect you if a line flops. You finalize by editing for rhythm. Trim long pauses, tighten sentences, and add jump cuts only where they improve clarity. Then color grade for consistent skin tones and normalize audio so peaks sit near -3 dB. Export with H. 264 at 1080p and 1012 Mbps to balance size and quality. If things go wrong, like noisy audio, use spectral repair or duck music and add subtitles. This saves comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.